This is Global Marketing Director Susan Shabion from Mandawi City, Cebu. Short background, dating traditional business owner, owned a restaurant bar in the country of Mexico. I have a rental business here, and now I am a full-time lifestyles business owner. So, bakit ako nandito sa lifestyles? So actually, my love story with lifestyles started when I met June 2017 because of my health challenges. Due to unhealthy lifestyle before, I suffered myoma, I was allergic to dust mite, and I was even diagnosed having psoriasis. So I'm very thankful to my angel upline, IMD Blanca Remucha, for introducing me the Lifestyles Phenomenal products. Without hesitations, I took the products seriously for a month, and lo and behold, lahat po iyon ay na-addressed. And my mother has a type 2 diabetes, very high sugar, very high cholesterol, giving her intra and fiber life, ngayon po ay controlled na. And my blockbuster testimony, ito po yung isa sa nagpa-GMD sa akin, was when my husband was due for angioplasty, September 4, 2018. Prior to that, I gave him massive, seriously large doses of Intra and Nutria Plus. And lo and behold, when he was already inside the operating room, the doctor did another angiogram, and the result was that angioplasty is no longer necessary. Oh my God! Praise God! Kasi ang laki talaga ng na-save namin na pera. Alam nyo ba kung anong tawag ng asawa ko sa Intrajuice? Ask me what? Intrajuice is a miracle juice. Grabe talaga, ang galing ng products. Me and my family have been taking it since, and we are all benefited from it. We are certified products of the products. And kaya nga, sabi ko sa sarili ko, bakit hindi ko try gawin ang business? Kasi the product is so effective, no question. No? So sabi nga, when the product is good, the business is done. So I decided talaga to do the mission. I took it by heart. I followed the franchising system. I kept attending trainings and events ng lifestyles. And I am forever grateful to my upline mentors, JMD Eva, NMD Palaran Abing, NMD Mami Yap, IMD Eleanor Abing, and IMD Blanca Remucha for all the love and support. Wow, thank you, Miss Jonah. In my 3 years of business, I reached the highest position and got promoted to be one of the global marketing directors of lifestyles. At ang napakaganda dito is the company never fails to recognize all your efforts. I received multiple awards from the company. Grabe, 2018 winner of consistency and productivity, 2019 winner of as a rising star, and Life Builders Club Ambassador 2019. Grabe talaga, no? Through lifestyles income, I was able to buy my own car, new Montero Sport. I acquired properties, invest paper assets, and I am faithfully giving now tithes to the church every month. And what else? I was able to travel for free, local and international. At ang maganda pa kasi kasama ko mga business partners ko, mga uplines at mga downlines. And I have to share this, no? My first check was 7,000 pesos. I was so happy, guys, kasi my name was on the check, no? That was my very first time to receive a check. And my highest check when I got promoted to Global Marketing Director, combined check with my husband, umabot talaga siya ng 1 million pesos. Oh my God! Ibang-iba na ang buhay ko since joining Lifestyles. Along this journey through Lifestyles trainings and events, my personality growth is priceless for me. No, I became the best version of myself. From being complacent, laid back, and less goal-oriented to become more driven, more ambitious, and more productive. And not only that, ang dami ng nagbago ng buhay ng mga downlines ko. Most of them are able to buy their own cars now. No? Meron na silang mga sasakyan, mga pick-up pa. So that's why I am forever grateful to the big man, to the good Lord, for making me a channel of blessings to other people. And I am forever thankful to the Lifestyles Company for bringing out the best in me. Thank you so much, Lifestyles. And just recently, I have to share this. No, we just had our graduation of the Lifestyles University, the School of Millionaires. I was awarded as a summa cum laude of the 90 days batch 4. Grabe, my goodness. Di man ako naging honor student nung nasa school pa ako kasi mahina sa academic. Pero my God, no? Naging summa cum laude naman ako dito sa Lifestyles University. Grabe, guys. Lifestyles opportunity is real. This is the best. Lifestyles Company is the best. And you know what? Now I realized na hindi pala batayan kung ano man ang educational attainment mo sa buhay or matalino ka sa klase or ano pa man. Dahil dito sa Lifestyles, for as long as you have big dreams, willing to work ka lang, you are being teachable, you have the heart to help a lot of people and make a difference, for sure, magiging successful ka, kagaya ko, kagaya naming mga GMD. Yes or yes? Yes, I wanna see you type yes. So, to our dear guests, oh my God, I wanna say this. You are so blessed to be invited today. I was once a guest like you, and all I can say, just open your heart and your mind. This is part of God's plan for you to succeed and live a purposeful life. Okay? I hope I have inspired you by my story, my humbling story, because if it happens to me, for sure it will happen to you. You just make a decision, say yes to your dreams, say yes to time and money freedom, say yes to the Lifestyles great opportunity, say yes to big changes. With that, thank you, and to God be all the glory.